Have you ever walked into school feeling like you're just going through different emotions? Well, not anymore, because today we are going to reinvent ourselves, build our confidence, and glow up inside and out. So let's get started. So the first step to glowing up for school starts at home. A clean and organized space equals a clear mind because it helps you stay focused and motivated to crush your goals. Me, I start with decluttering my room, setting up my space, and then I created a vision board for this semester. Next, let's talk about skincare and hygiene because glowing skin equals confidence. Me, I like to keep my routine simple. I usually cleanse, moisturize, and add sunscreen. I also pack a small glow kit with essentials like a compact mirror, a lip balm, perfume, and a mini deodorant to stay fresh all day at home. Your outfit is the first thing people notice, so make it count. You don't need a new wardrobe, just mix and match what you already have and add a few key pieces. Accessories are very important because they elevate your look instantly. So a layered necklace or a fan bag can make your look more attractive. Honestly, a simple morning routine is a game changer. Personally, I like to wake up early to have a quick breakfast if I can, and maybe squeeze in a quick stretch so that it sets the tone for a productive and positive day in my life. And of course, glowing up isn't just about how you look, it's also about the way you show up to your daily activities. So it's important to get yourself a planner, either it's physical or a digital, to keep track of your assignment and deadlines so that you stay organized. And also staying organized keeps stress at a bay and helps you feel more in control of your studies and academic success. Finally, remember to take care of yourself. School can get overwhelming sometimes, so schedule yourself a relaxed time and do what makes you happy. Honestly, binge watching my favorite videos makes me happy, and a cute face mask can go a long way. And there you have it, my glow up tips for school. Remember, glowing up isn't just about appearance, it's about feeling confident, prepared, and ready to tackle anything that comes your way. I wish everyone a happy back to school season, and let us be ready to tackle this together.
Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.